In this video, I will show you how to quicker and flexible way to insert Google AdSense or any ads code. I'm just very busy and you can call me another day. Okay, thank you. To increase way to insert Google AdSense or any ads code into a blog post, search this quick AdSense plugin and install it. It has about 60,000 active installation and good rating. So use and try this plugin. If you are facing any errors, so comment. I will try to resolve it. And hopefully guys you like this video. This is the short and basic video to give information about WordPress plugins. Thanks for watching, and to watch another plugin video, check out my WordPress plugin playlist.